I am Alina Araujo, and I'm here today with Brittany with Alluvium Cellars in Kenmore. Super excited. They just opened their new location and tasting room here, and I'm gonna just chat with her a little bit about her wine and everything that has to do with their winery.
So I'll say it. Well, first, cheers to Alluvium. Thank you for hosting
having
us.
me here.
I'll give you a little bit about us. Alluvium Cellars. Alluvium, the name, comes from when a river floods over time, there is these beautiful layers of soil and sediment that kind of build up over time. Down on the Klickitat in Washington, where I grew up with my family, we have family property down there. And there is this creek that we always used to play in as kids, named Alluvium Creek. So we kind of—
Beautiful word in itself, right?
Yeah, so we kind of figured, let's pay homage. I grew up on horses. We kind of grew up in this modern rustic cabin that we loved. So we just kind of took that as our spin to pay homage to our family, and then we kind of rolled from there.
And definitely honoring the name,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, and a little fun fact, all of our names for all of our different wines, they all start with an A. So there is an alliteration.
Okay, I love that.
Yeah.
My name starts with an A.
Yes, right?
Tell me more about your wines. What is your favorite? Do you guys have reds, rosé, whites?
Yeah, so we predominantly produce Bordeaux and Rhone-style reds. We really love what Washington State is growing and what they're doing. And so we tend to do these really big, fantastic Washington cabs, all the way to our Grenache. Personal favorite that we're kind of drinking today. Currently, I would say that my favorite depends on what I'm eating and what season.
Of course.
But currently we have this beautiful 2022 Mourvedre named Allegory.
Full name too?
Yeah, so they're all A names.
Whoever comes up with these names, love it.
Well, we sit down and drink a lot of wine and go through a bunch of different A names and put them all in a spreadsheet. So then we can pull from them.
Okay. Do you ever have them on rotation and come up with new wines, or is this just these are the wines that we're gonna name?
No, it all kind of depends on sort of our program. Abad is a dessert style wine that we did, and the name was actually named by our niece. So she kind of knew about the alliteration. She was 11 at the time, and she was reading a book, and it was talking about a lover's goodbye at sunrise.
Oh.
Or at sunset. So she came up with Abad. So Abad, we knew right away, that's what that would be.
That is so sweet. I love that. And so tell me about the wines. Do you guys grow them mostly in Washington? What are the regions?
Yeah, so we work with 7 different fantastic vineyards all over Washington State, all the way from Walla Walla, Yakima Valley. We get some stuff from Loop Slope, so just a variety. So we try to pair and find new, exciting, different varietals to work with. So
I personally love Washington wine. I know there's a lot of wineries around, and I'm a red wine drinker. I'm super excited to try this and tell more people about it.
Yeah.
What I want to know is, do you guys have a wine club?
We do have a wine club. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So Ty and I, like many people, had a lot of wine clubs. And sometimes what happens with those wine clubs is in April, when you get your spring release, and fall, when you get your winter release, those are the big times where you kind of get hit with your invoices. So when we kind of started thinking about ways that we wanted to differentiate ourselves, we thought about a new model. And so what we do is kind of out of sight, out of mind. We have 2 different programs. We have our Silver and Gold Club. So Silver, you get 6 bottles a year, so 3 for each allocation. Winter, you get 12 bottles a year, 6 for each allocation. And what we do is we just charge you a monthly fee every month for your commitment.
How easy is that? It's versus a chunk of, ka-ching.
Yeah. So
every few months. Yeah.
We wanted to make it accessible for a lot of different people, and especially people who are just kind of getting into the wine industry. As we all know, wine can also be very expensive the more you kind of sort of start to buy bottles and have them in your cellar. So we have our Silver Club, it's $15. It's $15 a month, and then our Gold Club is $30 a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, very attainable, very affordable, but I'm so excited. The bottles look beautiful, and I'm sure they run.
Yes, so I did all the branding. I wanted it to be very clean. Again, kind of our aesthetic is that modern rustic sort of vibe, so it's black and cognac and
No, I want to hear all about the design of the entire space here. This is so cool. I'm like thinking already of ways of how I can organize an event here.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. In all of our spaces, you'll find kind of key elements. We always do sort of a really fun graphic tile or any kind of tile. We usually have a wallpaper element, and we usually use like a warm wood element. So every single one of our tasting rooms are all very different, but when you walk into an Alluvium space, you are gonna know that it is Alluvium. Like, we have a very distinct look and style, big on bold lighting.
Okay.
I love like mid-century nods. So it was a very fun project, especially to be in Kenmore. During the summertime, we can open up the garage door, so you get some fresh air while kids are playing at the splash pads. Yes, so it's gonna be a good spot for moms.
Awesome. And tell me more about, like, do you have, how does it work with catering? Like, if somebody wants to host an event here?
You can go through our website, or you can contact our event manager, and she'll kind of walk you through food. You can bring in any outside food that you want. We're happy to help give you recommendations of people that we've worked with. And eventually, soon enough, we will have a limited light fare menu too that you can choose from. So that's something that we're working on, especially for spring and summer. Lunchtime, you can come in for a glass of wine or a salad or a panini, and bring in your laptop if you want to come in and just get some stuff done.
I'm gonna work here. Client meetings, you can come into the winery, so that's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that so much. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. Perfect white wine in the summer, or even today.
Even today.
This is Angela, and Angela is the everything behind the scenes at Alluvium. Thank you so much for having me again.
Yes, thank you for being
And I
here.
just wanted to kind of chat with you and tell me more about your winery. How did you guys start, and why did you choose this location?
Sure.
Can't wait to hear it.
Absolutely. So Brittany and Tyson started the winery in their garage in 2018, I believe. The wine turned out really good. So here we are today, or in our second location in Kenmore. We decided on this location because there's no other wineries in Kenmore.
Absolutely true.
No other tasting rooms.
Nope.
So we're the shiny new penny over here. We're really excited. We do hope that eventually more wineries will come and join the Kenmore crew. But
It is a beautiful location, and the aesthetic of it is just
we're really
absolutely
excited about being here. Yes.
How many people work at Alluvium?
We have about 17 employees across our Woodinville and Kenmore locations. We have staff for Kenmore, staff for Woodinville. We also have an event staff for all of our events that we do. And it's a really fun group of people. It just feels like you're working with your friends.
I mean, feels like it. I
Yeah.
felt immediate like that friendship and warmth. It was so nice. So I cannot wait to bring my friends and family here.
Me either.
Since we're wine drinkers.
And that's one of the things that I'm really proud of, that we're able to cultivate a really fun and unpretentious environment that you can just come in and feel like you're visiting friends that you haven't seen in a while. And I'm a hugger, so I
love it.
always give hugs to members that come back in that I haven't seen in a while.
So what is it that you do at Alluvium?
So I manage the tasting rooms and the events. I also do a lot of the social media, staffing, payroll, HR. I'm all the behind the scenes.
All the fun things too, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound fun.
It's fun because it's easy and I love it. I'm working for my best friends. And so it doesn't feel like work.
It's the feeling that you want to wake up every day and say, yeah, I'm gonna go do my hobby and get paid for it.
Exactly.
And drink some wine.
Absolutely.
No, it's really so good. Tell me more about your favorite wine.
Ooh.
You can talk about it.
So I started my wine journey being a white wine drinker.
Okay.
And so really liked the sweeter wines, just kind of as your gateway.
Yes.
And then as I started becoming a little more involved in the winemaking process with Alluvium and trying new wines, I've really found that I love reds.
You're like, this is what I've been missing in my life.
This is what I've been missing. The lighter reds,
Yeah.
not like there's spicier ones, bolder wines, but I prefer usually the lighter ones. The blends are also a favorite.
What's your favorite?
My favorite here is what you and Brittany were drinking
Oh my gosh.
earlier, the Allegory, the 100% Mourvedre.
Very
so good, very
Very
smooth.
good wine. What would be your vision with this winery in this
Oh
location?
my gosh. I think just really becoming involved with the Kenmore community and Kenmore events. That's what we're really excited about, is just really growing and connecting with Kenmore and the
I
whole
love that.
community. Yeah.
I missed the ribbon cutting, which I was super sad about. But I'm super grateful to be here. And what are your hours? What about events? Do you close the winery location for events?
Yeah, so right now we're open 7 days a week, 4 to 8 on Monday through Fridays, and Saturdays 12 to 8, Sundays 12 to 6. Events here are more on a case-by-case basis. We do have our event space over in Woodinville, which is kind of our designated event space. But if you are interested, events at alluviumcellars.com, your email will come to me. Then yeah, we can go from there.
If I'm drinking one of your glasses of wines and tell me one of your most popular ones, what does it pair well with?
Ooh, so one of our most popular is our Apricity. It's our Rhone white blend, and it's actually sold out. It's the first time. I know. It's the first time we've ever sold out of one of our varietals. It's predominantly Viognier, but don't worry, we are making more. It will be released in April, along with a Sauvignon Blanc. We've gotten a lot of requests for a Sauvi B. And I would say it pairs really well with grilled peaches, arugula, salads, maybe some grilled salmon as well.
You're making me hungry.
I know, all these yummy things that we can't wait for warmer weather for.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be perfect spring and summer drink. I cannot wait for that.
I can't wait for you to try it.
If there's one thing that people should know about wine, what would it be?
I think that it's really just this beautiful masterpiece that can be enjoyed throughout the year. So even in fall, you can still enjoy your whites, your rosés. Same as in summer, you grab a red, maybe chill it.
Yeah.
You can enjoy it year round, whatever mood you're feeling.
Don't put that wine in a box,
Don't
right?
put that wine in a box. It can be enjoyed by everyone at any time of year.
Thank you for being a part of this wonderful community. I want to hear more of how you can intertwine the neighboring cities like Bothell and Lake Forest Park together here.
Of course, we're so excited to be part of the community. One thing we're really trying to be involved in is the chamber and get into the chamber events. We're really excited for the Kenmore summer market. So our goal is to have a little booth out there.
That's fun.
With maybe some little samples, and you can try and then come on in. And then also on Mondays, we have local Mondays here. So from 4 to 8, if you're Bothell, Lake Forest Park, or Kenmore resident, come on in, you get half off your first glass pour. We're really just trying to, cultivate that sense of community and inviting everyone in.
Oh my gosh, that's so great. I welcome you to this community. I live here. I've lived here for 15 years, and I love having this beautiful wine tasting room here. So thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And I did too. I love wine.
So, little fun tidbit about Alluvium when we were kind of thinking about how we wanted to differentiate the wine drinking experience. I personally don't love sitting at a table where I have a bunch of glassware in front of me. It kind of overwhelms my experience a little bit. So I wanted to find a way that kind of condensed it down, but still gave you that drink at your own pace and enjoy it at your own speed. My brother, who's amazing at woodworking and all of the things, I am not. I'm really good at execution, but not doing this part of it. I told him I wanted to kind of do this beaker type experiment. And so we made this kind of a tasting palette for us. So, and then we rotate our menu once a month, and you'll get to try a variety of all of our wines, but we'll give you a little bit of the rundown, but this is what it will come as.
Okay.
And you can kind of go at your own. If you want to just drink the wine straight from the test tube, you can. No judgment. But if you don't, you get a beautiful wine glass too, and you get to just kind of go at your own speed and enjoy. So
that is
cheers.
Great. Cheers. Look at that. Very much of a different experience.
It is.
I've never seen that.
Yeah.
I've been to so many wineries.
Yeah, we wanted to change it up. We wanted it to be special and a moment.
And aesthetically pleasing too.
Yeah, so, and that afforded me too, I really wanted to change up the glassware for our wines. And so being able to use these test tubes, like if you break these, totally fine, accidents happen.
Sounds like that happened before.
Yeah, it's fine. But it afforded me to be able to afford beautiful, very high-end glassware to just give you another layer to your experience of wine.
Yeah, one of the first things I did notice, I was like, I love these glasses. Yeah. They have like an A shape to them.
They do. Part of the alliteration when it comes to all things alluvium.
Oh my God, you need branded glasses here with an A. Seriously, so cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful ones, but well, this is why you have to come to Alluvium Cellars. Not only the wine is amazing, the location is super beautiful, and it's like in this amazing community. So, ladies, thank you so much. This has been an amazing time. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to come in for a tasting, join their wine club. This place is the place. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my gosh, the best.